What if reality has already broken, and we're just calling it normal? Because according to modern physics, reality may not be as solid or as stable as we think. There are unexplained signals in space. Time behaves differently depending on where you are, and some scientists think the universe might not even be fundamental. This isn't science fiction. This is peer-reviewed discomfort. This channel explores unsettling questions like that, not to scare you, but to understand where reality ends and where assumption begins. And today's question is simple. What if reality isn't breaking, but leaking? Your brain doesn't show you reality. It builds a model. Color doesn't exist out there. Sound doesn't exist out there. Even solid objects are mostly empty space. Your brain compresses all of this into something survivable, useful, but not accurate. Different animals see ultraviolet light. Some detect magnetic fields. Others experience time faster or slower than we do. So reality already depends on the observer. That raises an uncomfortable question. If different beings experience different realities, why assume humans don't? We feel like time is universal. It isn't. According to Einstein's relativity, time slows down when you move fast and near massive objects. GPS satellites age differently than you do. Without time corrections, navigation would fail within hours. So time already flows at different speeds depending on where you are, which means there is no single now. There never was. We just agree to pretend there is. When physicists look deep into the universe, they find things they can't explain. Cold spots in the cosmic background radiation, particles appearing without clear causes, constants of nature that feel suspiciously fine-tuned. Some theories suggest our universe could be interacting with something outside itself, not touching, but influencing, like gravity leaking across dimensions, or quantum effects bleeding between realities. If that's true, reality isn't isolated, it's connected. Here's where things get really unsettling. Some physicists argue reality isn't fundamental. Information is. In this view, the universe isn't a thing, it's a calculation, a constantly updating process where space, time, and matter emerge from deeper rules. That would mean reality doesn't exist the way we think. It refreshes. And if something interfered with that process, you wouldn't see a dramatic failure. You'd see subtle inconsistencies. Glitches you'd explain away. Here's the most disturbing part. If reality were breaking, or overlapping, or being influenced from somewhere else, we might never directly detect it. We just experience effects we don't fully understand, like déjà vu, like time distortion, like the feeling that something is slightly off. Not enough to panic, enough to normalize. So the real question isn't, is reality breaking? It's this. If reality was no longer stable, what would it look like from the inside? And how would we know the difference between a glitch and the way things have always been? Because once you ask that question, you can't stop seeing reality the same way again.